This is my Snoopy dynamic walker, and watch her go. Watch him go. Now, what's interesting about this is if you change the height of the ramp, it will go at a different speed. But I don't think it's quite what you'd normally think. You think with a higher, it'll go faster. But it goes slower. And this one won't quite, I have to move it up a bit. Here goes very quickly, except it won't quite go. So let's try a little higher. Here's my phone. And there you go.